Introduction. Hey everyone, and welcome to a journey into the fascinating and often misunderstood world of Bitcoin. In a digital age, a new form of currency emerged, challenging traditional financial systems and sparking a global conversation. Today, we're going to demystify Bitcoin, exploring its origins, how it works, its impact on the world, and what the future might hold for this digital revolution. Get ready to understand Bitcoin in a clear and engaging way. What exactly is Bitcoin? Demystifying the digital currency. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Bitcoin? Imagine digital cash that exists only electronically. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any single entity like a bank or central authority. Instead, it relies on a peer-to-peer network of computers to verify and record transactions. Think of it as a shared, transparent digital ledger that everyone can see, but no single person controls. The mysterious origins. Who created Bitcoin? The story of Bitcoin begins with a mystery. In 2008, a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was published under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. To this day, the true identity of Satoshi remains unknown, adding an intriguing layer to Bitcoin's origin story. We'll explore the early days of Bitcoin and the ideas that led to its creation, focusing on the desire for a more independent and secure financial system. How does Bitcoin work? The blockchain explained simply. At the heart of Bitcoin lies a groundbreaking technology called the blockchain. Imagine a digital chain of blocks, where each block contains a record of verified transactions. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered, making the system incredibly secure and transparent. We'll break down this complex process into easy-to-understand terms, using visuals to illustrate how transactions are validated and added to the blockchain. Mining for Bitcoin, creating new coins and securing the network. You might have heard of Bitcoin mining. This process involves powerful computers solving complex mathematical problems to verify transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. In return for their efforts, miners are rewarded with newly created Bitcoins. We'll explain the role of miners in both creating new Bitcoin and ensuring the security and integrity of the network, highlighting the energy considerations that have become part of the discussion. Bitcoin's volatility and investment potential, understanding the risks and rewards. Bitcoin's price has experienced significant fluctuations, making it a topic of both excitement and caution for investors. We'll explore the factors that contribute to Bitcoin's volatility, such as supply and demand, market sentiment, and regulatory news. We'll also discuss the potential rewards and the inherent risks associated with investing in this digital asset, emphasizing the importance of informed decision-making. Bitcoin's impact on the world, beyond just currency. While initially conceived as a digital currency, Bitcoin's underlying technology, the blockchain, has far-reaching implications beyond just financial transactions. We'll explore how blockchain technology is being used in various industries, from supply chain management to voting systems, highlighting Bitcoin's role as the catalyst for this broader innovation. The future of Bitcoin, evolution and adoption. What does the future hold for Bitcoin? Its adoption by businesses and institutions is growing, and new technological advancements are constantly being developed. We'll discuss the potential future uses of Bitcoin, the challenges it faces in achieving mainstream adoption, and the ongoing debate about its long-term role in the global financial landscape. Addressing common misconceptions about Bitcoin. Bitcoin often faces criticism and misunderstandings. We'll address some common misconceptions, such as its association with illegal activities, while acknowledging its past use, highlighting the increasing transparency of blockchain analysis, and its environmental impact, discussing the shift towards more sustainable mining practices. Our goal is to provide a balanced and informed perspective. Conclusion: Bitcoin, a technology that's here to stay. Bitcoin has undoubtedly sparked a global conversation about the future of money and technology. Whether it becomes a mainstream currency or remains a niche asset, its underlying blockchain technology has already proven its potential to disrupt various industries. We'll summarize the key takeaways and leave you with a clearer understanding of this complex and revolutionary digital asset. Outro. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin? Do you think it will become the future of money? Share your opinions and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of technology and finance. Thanks for watching.